here we are, another season of Farmers Market Finds for my Brooklyn kitchen. This is a thrilling episode. We have snap peas today, and although you can do many things with snap peas, and I have done several very horrible things to snap peas in the name of fine dining, today I'm going to do something really simple because I think they're best served raw. So today we're making ranch dressing, and these are just here for decoration. I don't feel like chopping them at all, but basically you can make like a really nice little veggie spread. It's a nice snack. If you live by yourself, it's a meal. You don't have to tell anybody that that's all you ate for lunch. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you how to do. So, oh, and it's vegan.
Farmers market time. Go down to the farmers market to see what we can find.
So, get these out here. Just kidding. Okay. You know, peel these, chop these. Notice I'm using these carrots. I'm really not a fan of the baby carrots, especially not for babies. Okay, so these are ideas of things you can dip in ranch dressing. Mostly I like vegetables with ranch dressing, but there are some exceptions, which I won't mention for fear of ridicule. Okay, so it's a vegan ranch. You can do this with dairy if you prefer. This is like a episode dedicated to a vegan friend of mine, so I made this for her once, and so I'm gonna make it how I made it for her. So this is a nice coconut yogurt. So regular ranch dressing normally has, I think, like a combination of dairy, like sour cream and yogurt, or maybe it's just all sour cream, you know, depending on who you ask. So I like to add the yogurt because it adds a little bit of a tanginess. I mean, sour cream is obviously sour also, so just different tang. Okay, great. So we put that in here. The next thing on our list is liquid aminos. I like these for certain things. I like them in dairy, it seems. And it's funny because I had this big bottle, it looks like a soy sauce bottle, and then I went and bought this one which has a little spray nozzle, as if something is unhealthy about this, I need to use way less. I'm like dumping it in from this bottle, and this one has a little spritzer, as if I should just be like, only put one spray. So I don't know about that, but I just wasn't sure if this was going to be enough, so I got this one. Okay, and black pepper. And then we'll see if we need some salt, but we probably will. Okay. Got that, very simple. It says on here soy sauce alternative. Don't use soy sauce in this, it's not going to taste, it's going to taste like soy sauce. So you have to use liquid aminos, it's not going to taste the same if you try to use anything else. Those are the rules. Okay, this is like it's like a good amount. Just add the right amount. Okay, I'm just mixing this together. And we'll have a little taste. I like the consistency of this coconut yogurt because it seems like it hangs on to vegetables pretty well. which is nice. Or like, yeah, it hangs on to stuff. It's not too loose. You can put a little more actually. And then I'm gonna wait there because it actually probably also just needs salt. It's nice because you don't, with this, at least with this brand, it's really tangy, so you don't get a lot of the coconut flavor, but vegan people seem to be immune to coconut flavor, so it's kind of interesting. Okay, yeah, that's much better. I am gonna add a little salt and a lot of black pepper because in ranch dressing you see those little black specks. So don't put too fine of a grind, slightly loose, not too loose, then you'll have huge chunks of black pepper. So, you know, figure it out, you can do it. Okay. Oh my goodness, that looks exactly like ranch dressing. Yeah, let me taste it. That's ranch, that's it. Oop, yeah, see, everybody's excited. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to dish it up and look pretty. And dish it up so that it looks pretty. And that's it. You got your money's worth out of this episode. Clean that up a little bit. Okay. Pretty. And then you have your snappies. Okay. You can just clean these up a little bit if you're having like fancy friends come over. So if it looks a little dry at the end, these are from a little while ago. I wouldn't remove this much because then they kind of fall apart. That was like an error. Just a little pieces like where the flour used to be, and if the end looks a little dry. Okay. This one in general just looks a little dry, so I'm gonna eat it, but you could just leave it off. It's not garbage, but it's just not pretty enough. Okay, yada yada. Luckily I don't have anyone fancy coming over, it's just me. So I'm not gonna do much more to these. I've been eating them out of the fridge already, like not even washed, so. Okay. This is it. Ranch dressing with snap peas. Mmm. Really yummy. And it will make your vegan friends happy to like show that you're trying to do something for them. They'll appreciate it. So that's it.